It's not surprising, but Instagram keeps a record of every video and photo that you have seen on the app. Now, they recently came out with an update where you can see that entire watch history. And if you wanted to, you can just watch those videos again. Or in my case, I usually go through and delete them. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down, tap on Your Activity midway down. Scroll down again. Under How You Use Instagram, tap on Watch History. This will show you all of the reels that you have watched, the videos that you have watched. Of course, you can just tap on them if I wanted to rewatch my brother's video, or if I wanted to delete some of them, I can tap on Select at the top right, and then select multiple ones, and tap on Remove at the bottom. If you don't want these in your watch history, just tap on Remove. Now you have deleted part or all of your watch history, or just gone back and seen them again. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.